Hi there, I'm Vicki from Aussie Stampers. Welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing. I have two parcels that have just been delivered on my doorstep. I can't wait to get inside them. So I will show you what's in the first one. This is my Stampin Up order that I've just had delivered. Let's see what's inside this box. I have two planners in my orders, one in this box and one in the next box. So I'll show you the other things that are in here as well. So these are mini embroidery hoops, and there are two sizes of those, and they fit the tiny little stamps in this set inside of them. So you cut them out as circles or scallop circles and fit them inside. Here is a Party Panda stamp set. This is a set I am giving away in February. This is a set I will be giving away further down the track. This one I'm keeping for myself. This is tabs for everything, and I'm using this in my planner. I'm a planner freak. I love using planners. I love bullet journals. I love all kinds of documenting in planners. Here's the tab that matches the stamp set. So I'm going to be doing a whole series on how to get the most out of your planner. This is another punch that goes with it. And refill for my snail, because I'm going to be using a lot of that in my planner too. I pretty much adhere everything with my snail. This is copper trim, and I had to get a second reel of this. I've used the other reel up completely. This is one of the projects I used that copper trim on. Isn't it pretty? I have this gorgeous dream catcher and feathered little charm that I'm going to put on my traveller's notebook. Here's some pink washi tape, and this is going to go with my planner, which is inside here. And these little guys here are on the clearance rack in Australia at the moment, so nab over and grab these. They're very well priced. They're little bow hair, I was going to say bow hair clips. They're bow paper clips. I suppose you could put them in your hair. I don't know. I think they're meant for paper. But, and here's the planner refill. Now I've ordered a refill for my planner because I love it so much and I'm getting so much use out of it. I decided I'd get the refill. So the refill is everything except the planner itself. This is the second release of the Celebration catalogue brochure that's been sent to me. So there's a second release. So if you've looked at the Celebration brochure and want to know what's on next, just hop on over to my website, aussiestampers.stampinup.net, and you'll see the new release on there. And it still has the existing stamps, so if you like some of those earlier stamp sets or pieces that were available, you can still grab those too, so that's really good. Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to show you what's inside, very quickly, what's inside the planner refill. So it's everything except the planner itself, and I got a refill kit because I use my planner for everything. I have a whole list of things that I put in my planner, and I love decorating it. And so I decided that I might be putting out a planner video for you, showing you a whole series of planner hacks. Now, if you're interested in seeing that, put it down in the comments below. Let me know that you would like to see how I put my planner together, but also how I decorate it and all the hacks I use to add extra bits and pieces in, using either Stampin' Up products or things I just have around the house, just to make awesome little extras in my planner and actually get more use out of it. So it's really a good planner to begin with, but I just love the way I've been able to extend that use with all my planner hacks. So that's the first unboxing, and I'm going to show you just the gold sheets. So there are some gold sheets in the middle, there are dashboards in the middle, and all kinds of other things too. There are the tabs for the days, not the days of the month, the months of the year I should say, and 3 foil sheets and some sticker sheets, 3 sticker sheets, and a page lifter, which you can also use as a ruler, by the way. Oh, I've given away one of the secrets of my planner hacks, but I have a whole stack. I must have about 20 or 30 planner hacks I can share with you. So if you want to see that video, let me know in the comments below, and I'll make that video for you and show you the hacks I do with my Love Today planner. Now this is my Traveller's Notebook cover that I bought from Websters pages. I got mine on Amazon Prime, and this is to hold all the Traveller's Notes, the Traveller's Notebook inserts. Here's some stickers that I bought to put in my Traveller's notebooks as well. just a very small sticker sheet because I wanted them for this particular journal. And this is how it comes. It's got a nice plastic covering on it so it doesn't get damaged in transit, but this is not something you keep on the outside. You take this off. It's just acetate, so that just comes off. It has one insert inside already, but I have been making all of my own inserts from Stampin' Up! Designer Series paper and some of the cardstock, and using this as my bullet journal and also as my art journal planner. So I have lots of planners and journals and things on the go. This just happens to be one of them, and it's the exact size that I need for my traveller's notebook inserts that I've been making. It has some pockets in there, so I'll have some fun finding some things to pop into there. And on the back it has a space for a notepad on the back and a pen loop. So this is how it works. You open the book up to the middle and there are 4 elastic cords which enables you to slide your traveller's notebook insert into the traveller's notebook itself. It's got a lovely diamond embossing on the outside of it. It's a lovely soft cream colour, and the little tag says Be Creative. That little tag has the words Be Creative on it, which I think is really sweet. Lovely. I'm really happy with that. I really like the finish on it, and I think it's going to be perfect for these Stampin' Up! Traveller's Notebook inserts that I've been making, and you may have seen my process video on that one. And I also have a process video on this, I guess it's my nature log that I plan on using in this one as well. So I have my Stampin' Up! Planner, which I'm using for all my day-to-day stuff. This one is for my Traveller's Notebook inserts, and that's what it looks like. So I'm really excited about doing more videos on all of this for you. Hope you enjoyed that, and bye for now.